Hello and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey and today we're diving into the latest and greatest in crypto and blockchain. We have a lot to cover today, so let's dive right into things. Our Discord community has reached 3,813 members. This vibrant group is the perfect place to connect with tech enthusiasts and get direct access to our team. Over on social media, we showcased our dedicated gateways and how they interact with our IPFS SDK. Whether you're uploading content, managing users, or leveraging gateways, the Pinata TypeScript SDK is your comprehensive tool for navigating the complexities of decentralized web tech. This week, I'm excited to spotlight BonkBot. BonkBot is your ultimate trading companion on Solana. Powered by cutting-edge routing from Jupiter, BonkBot offers a seamless trading experience through Telegram. It allows users to effortlessly manage their Solana portfolios, supporting any SPL token transactions. BonkBot simplifies trading by letting users perform quick actions like buying and selling directly within Telegram, enhancing the trading experience with speed and convenience. It's an invaluable tool for those always on the move, looking to make swift, informed trading decisions. In product news, I am so excited to introduce you guys to webhooks. Webhooks is a new feature that revolutionizes how developers interact with their Pinata accounts. Through our collaboration with Spix, webhooks provides real-time updates directly to your API server based on activities within your account. This feature is a game changer, enabling automation and seamless integration of IPFS operations with your existing tech stacks. It opens up a myriad of possibilities, from immediate file upload notifications to dynamic content management, making your applications more responsive and integrated than ever. Are you looking to organize your NFT collections with groups? Managing multiple NFT collections can be a daunting task, especially when dealing with thousands of associated files. To streamline this process, Pinata introduces groups, a flexible and intuitive way to organize your NFT assets. This organizational tool is designed to handle both public and private IPFS files, providing a simple yet powerful solution to keep your NFT collections well-ordered and readily accessible. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below to get more updates from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone!